Hello students, welcome to MTGCoach. In this video, I am going to help you with the process how you can access your ebooks that you have purchased during Science Olympiad registration. You would have received an email from MTGCoach after your order is confirmed, after your ebooks are confirmed on mtgcoach.online website. So you can see the link. You can see this mail. This mail consists of your username and the website login. If you haven't received the password in earlier mail, you can click on this link and reset your password to access the ebook. This will open a window to reset the password. Here you have to enter your email that is registered with Science Olympiad Foundation, or you have registered with MTGCoach. So we'll click on reset password. So here I can see I have received the mail to reset my password. I will click here to reset the password and I will put new password. Please use a stronger password. And click on save. So the password has been changed successfully. Now I will log into MTGCoach to access my ebook. I will log in with the user email ID or username and password that is given by MTGCoach. I'll click on login. So this will take me to this page. I can go to home page or I can directly go to my study resources. So here you can see the books that I have purchased. These all books are listed here. So these are the access code and these are the books that I have purchased. These are all ebooks, right? So I have not applied access code to use these books. That's why it's coming as no. So I'll show you the process how you can apply access code. You can just copy this access code and click here and then click on this box. Now this code has been applied and you can access this book. You can simply click on this link which is under the resource link. You can click here and access your ebook. So I am showing here to access my GK book. The book will load in 2-3 seconds. The book is loaded completely. You can see it. And I can now zoom it from here to read it in the full screen mode. So this is clearly visible and I can read it. If I have to page down, I can just scroll down from here and I can read this ebook. You can open this MTGCoach on your mobile, on your tablet or on your laptop. This is exactly digital copy of the physical book. I would like to tell you, you can read online these books but you cannot download it, or these are not in printable versions. So I hope this video will help you to access your ebooks. And similarly, if you want to access your other book, you can apply access code and then access your other book. I'm showing how you can access your other book. Okay, so this is the access code for science book. I'm going to apply here. So this code has been applied and now you can also access this book. This book will load in few seconds and you can click on zoom to read it. So this will come in the whole screen and you can read it. You can scroll it just like you scroll your PDF books. You can scroll it and read it. This is so you can see how simple is this to read your ebooks online on MTGCoach. And if you want to read your book again, then you don't have to apply access code every time. You can come here, you can log into MTGCoach, you can come to my study resources, and you can click on this link, resource link, and this will take you to the direct ebook. So you can read here, and so you can read your ebook here. You can zoom it as always. So this was the process how you can access your ebooks which are given on mtgcoach.online website. You can also scroll through other options available on MTGCoach website. There are several options available related to Olympiads, foundation courses from class 6 to 10. You can go through different other options as well, and you can, if you want to purchase it, you can purchase it from mtgcoach.online website. And the process to access your ebook is similar. This is the digital book store where all the digital books are loaded. If you have any queries or any feedback or any suggestions related to your content or accessing your ebook, you can please write an email at info@mtg.in or info@mtgcoach.online, or you can call us at 0124 660 1200. Thank you very much.